Hazmira Hazlia.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amira Hazani binti Ahmad.
Hi, my name is Ifa Hanani.
My name is Siti Nurul Syuhada.
What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method to finding the derivative of a function. Rules number 1, constant rule. The formula is d over dx. d over dx equal to 0. The derivative of a constant is 0. Rules number 2 is power rule. Power rule, d over dx equal to nx power n minus 1. The product rule, y over y equal to uv, and then dy over dx equal to u multiply with v prime plus v multiply with u prime. And rule number 4 is quotient rule. Quotient rule, y over y equal to u over v. dy over dx equal to v multiply with u prime minus u multiply with v prime over v square.
Now we have chain rule. Chain rule we have trigonometry, which is the formula is d over dx cos fx equal to negative sine fx, and then multiply with d over dx fx. The second formula is d over dx sine fx equal to cos fx multiply with d over dx fx. You can refer to this formula to change the trigonometry.
Okay everyone, for question 2, we have 2 questions and we start with question A first. For part A, we have given a function in the form of a product is y equal 3x squared x in bracket x plus 2. This means we have to need to use the product rules because we have two functions multiply together, so we have to use product rules. Before start, write the formula first. For product rules is dy over dx equals to u v prime plus v u prime. U is 3x squared and v is 6x plus 2. Now we find the differentiates for u prime and v prime. For u prime, we get 6x, and v primes, we get 6x plus 2, 10x plus 2. Next, plug into the rules by the formula. dy over dx equals to 3x squared, and then multiply with 6x plus 2, 10x plus 2. And then plus with 6x plus 2 and 6x. And then we can simplify them, and then we get a final answer. For part B, the function is quotations. It's functions, so we need to use the quotation rules. The top is u and the lower one is v. Quotations rule is used when we have a function like u over v, and then functions rule is dy over dx equals v u primes minus u v prime over v square. Next step, find the derivative. U prime we get 4 and v prime we get negative sin x. Next, plug into the rules by the formula. Dy over dx equals to cos x 4 and minus 4x plus 2 and negative sin x over cos x squared, and then we get a final answer.
I'm going to show you how to solve question number 3. Given the equation, we must find the dy dx using implicit differentiation. Alright, let's take a look at the equation. Let's break down each equation. First, if you see this, what are the rules that's suitable for us to use? It is a product rule. And second, if you see, it has a power, so we must use power rule. And lastly, it have a trigonometry which tan here, so we must use chain rule. After that, we must separate them for us to easily to see by putting d dx for each term like this. And after that, we can differentiate it. The u prime is dy dx. Dy dx, we get the dy dx by differentiate the y, and after that copy back the ln and the 3x. And that we must plus with the u and v prime. The v prime for the ln 3x, which is 1 over 3x, and we must multiply it with 3. And after that, we differentiate the power rule, which is after differentiate the 2x plus 1, we get the 2, and the exponent must multiply with the 2. Alright, for the chain rule, we must change the tan to sec power 2, and after that copy the 4y, and we must multiply it with 4 dy dx. Where we got the 4 dy dx? 4 dy dx is here, we differentiate the 4y, y became the dy dx. So here we got the 4 dy dx. And then we must equal it with the 0. Please do not leave the equal 0. And after that, we must open every bracket like this. Make sure the operation does not change. Double check the operation. And after that, simplify the power equation where we have differentiate. The 3x plus yx multiply with 1 over x become ln 3x plus y over x. And after that, we minus it with 2e, 2 exponent power 2x plus 1, where we got the 2 exponent 2x plus 1, each where the exponent power 2x plus 1, we multiply with 2. So we got this. And after that, copy back the sec power 2 for y for dy dx and equal to 0. And then we must move the equation 2 exponent power 2x plus 1 and minus y over x to the right side because it doesn't have dy dx. We must gather them with their family so it's easier for us. And after we move them, we must simplify it by taking out the dy dx, like factorize it. And after that, we move this equation to the right side. Under them, like we divide it. So we got this as a final result.
To read the question. After that, we need to highlight the decimal number. Then let the decimal number be the x. In order to find the initial value, which is xo, we need to run off the decimal number to the nearest whole number. Then we can find the xo value. After that, to find alpha x, we need to minus x latest value with xo initial value. Then we get the alpha x. Define the fx by copy the function but replace the decimal number with x. After that, we can find the f prime. Then we can use the formula for linear approximation, which is fx equal to fxo plus f prime xo multiplied with alpha x. Then substitute value of xo into fx and f prime. Then we can solve the equation.